Kaira, do you know all the names of the animals? If you tell all the names of the animals and what sound they make, I'll give you a present. Okay? Tease. Dog. What sound the dog makes? Good job. You identified dog, so I'll give you number 1, okay? 1 point for Kaira. And what is this? Dog. And what sound the dog makes? Good job. I'll give you number 2 now. Yeah, I'll give you a surprise if you tell me all the names of the animals. And what is this? Chicken. And what sound the chicken make? Cluck, 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 cluck. That's right. I'll give you number 3 now. 3 points. You're doing good so far. Let's go. Identify all the numbers. No, I'll not give you numbers unless you tell me all the names, okay? What is this? What is this? Cow. And what sound the cow make? Moo. Good job. I'll give you number 4, okay? Let's put this horse back here. Number 4. Number 4. Here you go. No problem. And okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? Horse. What sound the horse makes? Good job. You're doing very good, Kaira. I'll give you number 5 now. And what is this? What is this? What is this? Pig. And what sound a pig make? Oink oink. Good job. You're doing really good. I think you will get a present today. Okay, number 6. What is this, Kaira? Sheep. And what sound the sheep make? Good go, Kaira. 7. You're on a run. And okay, you tell me all the names only now. What is this? Good job. High five. High five for the donkey. High five. Donkey. Number 8. Kaira, what is this now? What animal is this? Kaira, look at me, Kaira. Kaira, baby. What animal is this? Sheep? Frog? It's a goat. Oh, no, it's not a sheep. What is this then? What is this then? You being naughty to me? Why? You know the names. Don't be naughty. I'll not give you number now. Only if you tell me. Only if you get number 10, I'll give you a present. Otherwise, you're not getting a present. Okay? Now tell me, what is this? Okay? Alright, forget this. What is this? Oh, sorry. What is this? Book? This is a book for you? What is this? The books are made out of it, but what is this? you're not getting a present. You're only up to number 8. You want a present or not? You want a present or not? Book? It's not a book. No, it's not a book. Okay, alright. You're in a playful mood today, are you? Alright. Kaira, seriously, what is this? You really think it's a sheep? You really think it's a sheep? What is this? I'll give you a present. You tell me what is this? You know? Why are you being naughty? It's a goat. That's right. I'll give you number 9 now. Okay. Last chance. Last chance. Kaira, what is this? Very good. Yes, you did it. Because you were being naughty, come here. Because you were being naughty, I will not give you present unless you tell me what are these numbers. Okay, what is this? What number is this? What number is this? 4. Being naughty again? Oh my god. Oh no. What number is this, Kaira? 1 and 3 and where is 5? Where is 5? Where is 5? Where is 5? 5, 6, where is 6? Oh, that's a 4! That's a 4! Okay. Yes. Read out all the numbers. 5 and 6 and give me a hug, give me a hug, give me a hug. I'll give you a crazy hug. Yes. Here's your present. Here. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. You're welcome. Do you know what is this? Unicorn. So it is do it yourself unicorn. You're gonna paint this unicorn tomorrow, okay? Alright. This is for you to keep.